Edward here once again. Good morning. It is good morning here, Dubai time, 9 a.m. Yeah, today I'm also going to have something small. It is called labels, how to create labels in Gmail. The same idea can be borrowed in Yahoo, Microsoft or Hotmail. What other mail services do we have? Okay, the same thing happens in other emails as well, but if you know how to make it in one particular email provider, then you'll be able to make it in the others as well. So I take Gmail, like I told you, I'm using mostly Google products because so many people on Google are using Google products. So I'm trying to smoothen life of those already on Google products. But those who are not using this, yeah, it is the same steps that you have to take for the other applications as well. If you are not using Gmail or using Yahoo and you would really need help on some of the topics, simply comment on in our comment box. Put your questions in our comment box, then I'll be able to answer them with videos. Okay, now our topic is create labels to organize Gmail. It's going to be by Edward, as usual. I have another paragraph down here. It's a Gmail label or Yahoo label or any other mail provider label. This is a tag that can be added to every email you receive or send. You can also add them to drafts. These labels can be used to keep your inbox organized. They are similar to folders, however, unlike folders, you can apply more than one label to a single message. Take note. Okay, now let us head straight to how we create a label. Let me just open my mail here. Is it here? And then I may just go to this part there. Okay. Okay, so from this side you see this left here where we have this pen which has inbox, start, news, important, send, drafts, and many others. On this pen, it is always on the left. It is by default on the left. You simply scroll down here. Okay, scroll down slowly. You will see something, manage labels, and create a new label. Okay, now if I am to show you here, I already have a label used. Let me see if I search for Google Partner. See, so this is my Google Partner label. So all emails that are coming from Google Partner, they will be having this label Google Partner. You can choose which color to give it. You can choose either blue or any color. You can organize it by color. You can organize it by the way you feel like. So let us try to create one label, a new label. If I click on updates here, where are updates? Where are updates? Where are updates? Where are updates? Here. Okay. You'll find that I have in updates. No. Let me just go straight to inbox here because I want you to see this well, and click on forums mail. You see forums. You see what I'm normally receiving in forums. Yeah. From Code Project. You know, I read a lot, and you too have to read a lot. So let's see from Code Project now. I want to create a label called Code Project, right? So if we go down to this Code Project, right? If we go down here, go down, scroll. You can click on more. Okay, then scroll more. Find create a new label, and then what is the label name? The label name is Code Project. Okay, where do you want to nest this under? You can actually also nest labels. You can have a mother label and then nest under sub labels, child labels. This is not what I want to do now, but if it's what you want to do, you click on nest label and then you select on the list of labels you already have, right? But I don't want to do this. I'll untick this one and then create this label. Right? Now, after that, I'll select all this, then click on labels, right? I scroll down. Where is my label? Do you guys see it anywhere? It's here. Okay, I'll click on my label and I say apply. See, it gets applied here. It gets applied. Now, if I can come down here and I click on manage labels, let's see if this will work out. There's one thing I want to show you, something small. Manage labels. Okay, manage labels. Where is we have label code project. It has 50 conversation. Show, hide, show, hide, show, hide, show, hide. You can choose to show if the mail is unread or show. There are so many things here, but let me click on edit. Yeah, that's it. Saved. Okay, if we come back here on our inbox and then we head straight to, did I click? We head straight to our forums. See, it has all been moved into the label called projects. If we come down here, click on this one, then where is that label? It has to be on the list here. This is it. It will load all of them. So this is how it works. Please subscribe to our channel, Editech Solutions. Our battery is low. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, put your comments in the comment box, put your questions there, and please share our videos. Thank you very much for watching. I remain Edward Sevume, CEO Editech Solutions. Sign out.